Hello everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and if you're tired of a bulky wallet stretching out your pockets, something like this, look how big that is, then you need to check out this Stochi Trackable wallet. It's a total game changer for everyday carry. So look at the difference here. And again, you can get down to this size and hold all your secured credit cards. And the best part here is that the standout feature is that this has a built-in Find My tracking. It's MIF certified, and it works seamlessly with your iPhone, just like an AirTag, but without that annoying extra bulge. You can see how incredibly thin this is, and that tracking feature is built into this. You can see the last known location right in the app, and even get a left behind alert if you ever walk away from your wallet. Let's say you're at a restaurant, it happens, you set your wallet down, you walk away. As soon as you get to your car, your phone will let you know that you've walked away from your wallet to go back in and retrieve it. What an awesome feature. Design-wise, this thing is crafted with a sleek carbon fiber, which looks incredibly and has an RFID blocking to keep your cards safe from skimmers. Despite the slimness of this actually can hold up to 15 cards. You can see here, I don't have 15 cards on me, but I do have 2 cards in, and this thing is incredibly thin. Not only does it hold 15 cards, but it also has this nice little strap back here to hold your bill securely too as well. So really great 2 features there. And so if you want a wallet that is slim, secure, and impossible to lose, I highly recommend picking this one up. You're going to love how much space this saves you and the peace of mind of knowing that you can always track your wallet. Definitely check this out.